Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to become a good programmer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a good programmer. Becoming a good programmer requires dedication, practice, and a mindset of continuous learning. Here are some steps you can follow to improve your programming skills. Number 1. Choose a programming language. Start by selecting a programming language that interests you. Common choices include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and others. Focus on one language at the beginning to build strong foundation. Number 2, learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of programming such as variables, data types, loops, conditional statements, functions, object-oriented programming or OOP principles. Number 3, online courses and tutorials. Enroll in online courses or follow tutorials from reputable platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or free resources like Code Academy, W3 Schools, and YouTube channels dedicated to programming. Number 4, read books. There are numerous books available on programming, algorithms, and software design that can help you understand the principles and best practices. Number 5, practice regularly. Programming is a special skill. No practice So practice is crucial. So work on coding exercises, challenges, and small projects regularly to apply what you have learned and reinforce your understanding. Number 6, collaborate and seek feedback. Join coding communities, forums, or online platforms where you can collaborate with other programmers and seek feedback on your code. This will expose you to different perspectives and improve your programming solving skills. Number 7, study data structures and algorithms. Understanding fundamental data structures such as array, linked list, stacks, queues, and algorithm searching, sorting is essential for efficient programming. 8, work on real projects. Move beyond exercises and tackle real-world projects. Building practical applications will enhance your skills and expose you to various challenges. 9, review and refactor code. Analyze your code and learn from your mistakes. Refactor your code to make it more efficient and maintainable. Number 10, learn version control. Use version control systems like Git to manage your code and collaborate with others effectively. 11. Stay updated. The tech industry evolves rapidly, so stay updated with the latest trends, libraries, and frameworks in your chosen language. Number 12, practice problem solving. Improve your problem solving skills by working on coding challenges and algorithmic puzzles from the websites like LetCode, HackerRank, and CodeForces. Number 13, participate in open source. Contribute to open source projects to gain experience working on larger code bases and collaborating with other developers. 14, seek mentors. Find experienced programmers who can guide you and provide insights into best practices and career advice. 15. Be patient. Becoming a proficient programmer takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that the key to become a good programmer is consistent practice and a genuine interest in learning. Embrace challenges, stay focused, curious, and never stop expanding your knowledge in the field of programming. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report on how to become a good programmer. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Please like and share, no? And subscribe also to my channel if you're new. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.